Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon na din.
Good afternoon.
Say hi to my vlog. So this is how I apply my lip tint. Lip tint. This is Dazzle Me from Lip Tint. Bobo, this is lip tint from Dazzle Me. Bobo.
Isa na lipstick.
Tint lang.
Basta yung diferensya.
Watery lang siya.
Ang lipstick dahil
Lipstick.
plastic.
Really? Nasya ka na murag
Rubber.
solid. Masyag. Nasya masyag. Basta. Kabalo sa explain. Basta nasya solid. Kani kayo murag.
Okay.
Lahi lang texture.
Mag-try daw tayo bro. Mag-post. Facebook una. Ito yung sikat na ka. A day in my life.
A day in my life. As a.
Worry ka. Hindi ako sa'yo.
You like my hair? I did not ligo today.
Klaro mo.
How did you know?
Masimhot na po.
Naglagay lang ako ng vitreous. And ano something here. Dry shampoo para dili kayo siya oily tanaw.
What time ganyan? Okay.